Have you ever looked in the mirror and felt that quiet ache in your chest? That echo in your soul whispering, "This isn't what I was meant to become." You're not broken, but you are drifting. And drifting is the most dangerous thing a human can do. Because when you drift, you don't crash all at once. You slowly rot while pretending you're fine. You say you'll start tomorrow, but tomorrow is a liar. You say you're waiting for the right time, but time doesn't wait for you. So let me ask you this. How much longer are you going to waste the one life you've been given? Let that question pierce your bones. Every second you scroll, every hour you binge, every dream you shelve because now isn't the right time. You're not just killing time, you're killing yourself. Slowly. We live in a world of infinite distraction and zero purpose. A world that profits off your comfort, your fear, your laziness. And most people? They trade their potential for pleasure, their legacy for likes, their entire fucking lives for a tiny piece of comfort. But not you, because today, I'm challenging you. Not next week, not when you're ready, today. Here's the challenge. Burn the script they gave you. The one that told you to play safe, fit in, settle down, and stay quiet. Rip it apart, because that script was never written for you. It was written to control you. You were born for more than scrolling through other people's lives. You were born for more than numbing your pain with food, porn, and validation. You were born to look in the mirror and see a goddamn warrior. But warriors aren't born in comfort. They're forged in discomfort, in silence, in the fire of relentless discipline. You want purpose? Create it. You want power? Earn it. You want meaning? Fight for it. Let me tell you a brutal truth. No one is coming to save you. Not your parents, not your friends, not some motivational video at 2 a.m. If you don't save yourself, you die a slow, invisible death. A death where you're alive, but hollow, breathing, but empty, smiling, but dying inside. And here's the scariest part. You get really good at pretending you're okay. You laugh at parties. You show up to work. You keep the mask on. But deep down, you know the truth. You're wasting your life. So how do you stop? Step 1. Kill the distractions. Your phone is a slot machine for your soul. Unfollow the people who make you feel small. Block the noise. Choose silence. Step 2. Build brutal self-honesty. Ask yourself, what am I pretending not to know? That your job is draining you, that your friends are pulling you down, that your habits are burying your potential. Step 3. Suffer on purpose. Wake up earlier than is comfortable. Say no when it's easy to say yes. Do the hard thing every single day until it becomes who you are. Step 4. Create a mission, not a goal, a mission. A reason so strong that laziness doesn't stand a chance. A purpose so big, comfort becomes your enemy. Because comfort is the cousin of death. You were not born to be normal. You were born to be dangerous. To walk into a room and change the temperature. To walk down a street and radiate presence. But that version of you, he's locked behind the gates of pain, discipline, and courage. So open the gate. Let your laziness die screaming. Let your fear starve. Let your excuses wither away. And if people say you've changed, look them in the eyes and say, damn right I have. Because change is survival. Evolution is mandatory. And this life, it's a one-way ticket. No reruns, no do-overs, just now. I'll leave you with this. The cost of regret will always be heavier than the cost of discipline. So pick your pain, the pain of discipline, or the pain of a wasted life. The clock is ticking. You've got one shot at this life, one spark. So tell me, what are you going to do with it? If you like the video, then like and subscribe the channel. We're building a community of action takers, and you belong here.